Hi, my name is Nicole, and today I'm going to be sharing with you about Pinterest. I recently researched apps and websites to help an individual make friends at school. After reading Evan's case study and learning that he is an 8-year-old with a speech impairment and ADHD who was bullied at his elementary school, it was really hard for me to come up with an app to help him through that because kids are mean sometimes, and that's not really something that is in Evan's control. However, I decided to take the old confidence is key saying and suggest that Evan, along with his parent slash guardian, use Pinterest to boost Evan's confidence. It is free to everybody. All you have to do is make an account and you can pin things. There are thousands of things to pin. And I'm going to scroll through and pin a couple of them just to show you how you can go about this. And this is where you would need a parent or guardian to help things out because, like for example, this one, you can get him a dry erase board and like put it up in his room, and then give him some sticky notes, and he can write anything that he likes positive about himself. And in order to pin it, you just save it, and then you go from here, and I can create a board. And now it's pinned. So then you just go back, and you can scroll through. You could also talk to his teacher and come up with something like this that they could hang in the classroom, and maybe that will help with the other students that are bullying Evan. So we'll just go ahead and pin it. And yeah. It also has things that like suggest things for you. So you could even do calm down yoga for kids. So this is something that you can read up on and pin it for later. And then in order to get to your pins, you can go to your account and do TRC or THRC, and then it saves everything for you.